Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a sort of summer ethereal beauty hair and makeup look. I'll put on screen, I made like a little mood board for my makeup today. Don't know if anybody else does that. Sometimes I feel like I need this to help me pull the vision together. I just got out of the most amazing everything shower, so we're gonna work with my natural curls today. I'm gonna show you the products that I use to just help them be voluminous and like bouncy and glossy and glowy. We're kind of going for like an ethereal summer siren pearlescence look. I'm gonna start off with, obviously hair care starts with a shampoo and conditioner, so I'm gonna show you what I wash my hair with. Well, I've already kind of talked about this before, showing you guys. This is the brand called Uberless. They are vegan hair care, which is something that I've been talking a lot on my channel lately about. Is I've been kind of transforming all of my products into things that are a lot healthier for me. So Uberless is vegan. They are cruelty-free, they're clean, they're vegan products. So this is their hydrating conditioner and shampoo. So if you have curly hair or even just frizzy hair, this is perfect. Don't worry about making noise, you're fine. Kenzie's just like casually sewing together like a blouse in the background. Fashion girlies unite. So as you can see, this gets very much good love. I've literally broken it, dropping it in the shower. So this is SLS free with ceramides, fruit extracts. Like the products that they put in here are so great and it smells so good. The product I'm gonna show you next too, literally it makes my hair smell edible. I have been going through a pretty big hair journey. I was bleaching my hair years and years ago, and then I decided that my natural color was best, and having just really healthy hair was gonna look so much better than anything else. Having a shampoo that it washes your hair but it doesn't strip the natural oils from your hair is really important. So that's why I love this, because I come out of the shower like actually feeling like my hair, it like feels silky. It doesn't feel completely stripped of oil. So this is still hydrating and it's gonna like lock that in. To help with any extra frizz when my hair is damp, this is the first thing that I do. I also like to put this in my dry hair as well, like if I'm doing like a blowout and styling it, this is great. So this is also from Uberless. This is their smoothing Ritu oil. This has orchid and argan oil in it. I've talked about this a few times on like my YouTube and my TikTok. This literally just, it smells like the gardens of Versailles, like the floral scent. The shampoo and conditioner is like a yummy, like almost like candy sweet smell. This is like the most beautiful, like decadent bouquet of flowers ever. And so it's also a really, really nice intense oil that's not gonna look greasy. So I do about one whole thing on my hands and then scrunch it into my damp hair. I feel like it soaks it up better, almost like the concept of like putting on your skincare when your face is still wet. I feel like, I don't know if that's true, but like it works the same way. And I'm gonna flip my head upside down too. Let me try and do this on this little CT. I'm gonna flip my hair upside down and scrunch. And then I kind of scrunch more than once. So I'll scrunch probably like every 10 minutes as it dries. Don't laugh at me.
I'm laughing.
I can hear you. Okay. The next two products I like to use for my hair for avoiding frizz, keeping it looking bouncy and gorgeous. This is their Bond Healing Leave-In Spray. This is great for no matter if you're doing natural curls or not. If I'm straightening my hair, this is amazing too, because you always get those little flyaways at the end when I'm like blowing it straight. So this is amazing for that. I'm gonna spray a little bit of that in my hair, as well as this Frizz Elixir. I'm gonna spray this after it's already dry. These two are also just like key styling products. I need to bring these everywhere with me. If they have I need to get travel size. If they have travel size of this, Uberless, please let me know. This is essentially like a leave-in conditioner. And I'm generous with this because I love it. Like you can even put this in your roots too, and it's not gonna make your roots look weird, because I have so many issues with so many leave-in conditioners. I've never found a leave-in conditioner I've loved before this one, because usually if I put them anywhere other than just my ends, it makes my roots oily. And like I said, once it gets like almost pretty much dry, I'm gonna add the Frizz Elixir in and give it like one more nice scrunch to go. And this adds like a nice little glossy sheen to it as well. So let's start off with some skin. We're gonna start with this Westman Atelier. This is their skin activator. Not too oily, because I wanna go for like a very glowy pearlescent look, but I don't wanna look greasy. So I don't just wanna put like oil and like glow shine like stuff all over my face, because I want it to look very wearable. This is definitely gonna be a wearable summer look, but it's gonna be a little bit more than just like your everyday glowy healthy skin, like somewhere like a nice in between. This product I feel like screams it's asking to be used for this exact makeup look. I feel like it was made for this makeup look, so we have to use it. This is the Kevyn Aucoin Glass Glow Face Illuminator in the shade Solar Quartz. So I got this at a Blue Mercury in my neighborhood literally for my wedding. But then when I was like testing the makeup look beforehand, because I did my own makeup, I felt like it was too much for the photography, but we're not worried about photography today. We're wearing this out actually to my friend's birthday picnic. So I feel like this will be perfect. I don't know if I should mix it into my foundation for the whole skin or if I should just like put it on a specific part. But let's see, because I am gonna do face makeup. This is my Couvrance in the shade Sand. This has SPF in it, and this is basically like a tinted moisturizer. Let's put on this first. Let's start here. We're gonna keep doing, building up our hydrated base. Same thing as we do for our hair. I have a million hydrating products. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. Also, I feel like these products are very, really going with the theme for this like crystal pearl makeup look. Okay, this is also just gonna not only hydrate, but this is also gonna give a nice, bright, luminescent base to my makeup. You guys should mix this in.
You should just mix it.
Yeah.
It's so pretty.
Because this is like, it's like a gel consistency, but it's like a bold glow.
Yeah.
Let me try it on my hand.
It'll probably look like that Charlotte Tilbury one that everybody uses.
Yeah. Like, see, it's like a jelly texture. It's so fun. That could be cool.
It'll disperse better if you just mix it in.
Okay. We're gonna mix it. And a little bit of this. I love how this is my tan shade. It's still so light. Pale Girl Beauty this summer. I need my mirror because I'm looking in the viewfinder. Oh wait, that is so pretty. Oh. My skin literally looks wet. It looks so good. Does it look good?
Yeah, it looks really pretty. Now I just do, oh no.
I always forget those little brushes are in there. Because this doesn't have a lot of coverage, I'm gonna do some spot conceal, and I'm gonna do my liquid pot concealer from Chanel. I'm just gonna like do under eyes and spot conceal with this because I wanna let my skin, it definitely wants to look like real and breathable for this look. So I'm just spot concealing here and under my eyes to really make myself look awake. And I use a shade lighter too.
What concealer is that?
This is the Chanel one.
Oh.
Literally, buy all my products. Next, this is something I would have never in the past put in like a glowy, summery makeup look, but now is essential for me. This is the Chantecaille Radiant Glow Blur Powder. I have pretty dry skin, so when it comes to doing like a glowy, radiant makeup, I would never apply like a powdered product onto my skin. But now I just realized like it was loose powder that was the problem, and I needed like a really good pressed powder. And as you can see, this one has this sort of pearlescent sort of sheen. It's not like glittery, it's not too glowy, it's literally just like a sheen. So when you put it on your skin, it doesn't make your skin look completely matte. I am definitely, as you can tell, not one for a matte makeup look, but sometimes I do really need my makeup to just be locked into place. I don't want it to crease, and when you're using all of these like liquid gel products, sometimes they'll tend to slide around your face. So this product has really helped me just sort of keep it locked in. We're going to do a little bit of bronze. Now, again, very different than how I would do my bronzer a few summers ago. We're not gonna do like a liquid or a cream. We are gonna do a powder bronze with glow in the powder, and we're just gonna do like a wide general bronze. I just want to look sun-kissed. I don't want to make my skin look any like darker or warmer, and I also don't really want to contour my face. I just want it to be as if like I had a natural flush, like I sat in the sun for a few minutes. Now is the time we're gonna get to our second hair scrunch. I'm also gonna do a little more oil in my ends. It literally smells so good. Here, you need to smell this. You need to smell it. It's like the best floral scent you've ever smelled.
Gosh, that smells like the inside of a flower.
Right? And I just keep doing this. I figured it would only be appropriate to go with a coral blush. This is another organic makeup product. This is the OG Sculpting Face Stick in Carnelian. I've used this one like 2 or 3 times. It's definitely not my everyday color because I do like a warmer, more like mauve-y pink, but for the summer, I feel like a very corally, like bright pink pop of color on the cheek would be really, really pretty. Again, sort of that baking in the sun look. I like a lot of blush, so I might apply a few layers of this. I brought a highlighter, but I feel like I don't even need it. I brought this Victoria Beckham one. This one is in the shade Pearl. It's called Reflect. So I feel like it's ideal for this. Maybe just a little bridge of the nose. Like a little pearl right there. So cute. Setting my face with some spray. I've got my La Mer spray. Now onto my eyebrows. I'm just gonna shape them a little bit. I've got my Merit tinted brow gel. I brush them, going for like a very natural wispy look. So the messier, the better. Those are my finished brows. Now we get to move on to the eyes, which I feel like will be a little bit fun. I feel like no matter how much I change my face makeup, my base always ends up looking the same. I was going to get mad about it, but I think maybe it's just because I've perfected it and it always turns out the way that I like it to. But I have two eyeshadow palettes here. So this one is just sort of gonna be a neutral to like help me put the look together. It's a Dior eyeshadow palette that I have here. They're still shimmery colors, but they're just sort of the neutrals. And then I discovered this way back in, all the way in the back of my makeup storage. And this is a Rowan Beauty eyeshadow palette, number 75. Look at these shimmer colors. Are those not so pretty? And maybe do a little bit of this one, just kind of flat over the lid. I don't really want to do a gradient or anything. I feel like I'm kind of over that now. I love just like one solid color over the lid. So I might do this one and then just mix a little bit of this one towards the middle just to keep it really bright.
Really pretty though.
Right? I love this color. It's so pretty. It's like, it's like sparkly sand.
It's giving, what's her name from Pirates of the Caribbean in the best way.
Thank you so much. That's exactly who I'm trying to go for right now. Elizabeth Swan makeup tutorial. I just told my husband like 2 days ago that we need to rewatch like all of the Pirates of the Caribbean movies.
I haven't seen the movies. I got scared at the hanging scene when I was a kid.
You've never seen the movies?
No, but I've seen the clips of her and she looks really pretty in it. I kind of want to watch it.
Cinematic masterpieces, and Johnny Depp is so cute.
I've only
I
discovered
love Jack Sparrow.
a month ago that she doesn't end up with a pirate, she ends up with a different dude. I totally thought it was a pirate.
Sorry for totally spoiling Pirates of the Caribbean for you. No, because like I have the biggest crush on Jack Sparrow. What a cutie. Oh, this matches perfect. I'm putting the gold towards the center. What a cutie. It's like a little, like, they have like their little like enemies to lovers moment though.
Oh.
But they don't like end up together now.
Darn it.
So I think you should still watch it though for the vibes.
I heard the other guy's cute though. I don't know.
Orlando Bloom? Legolas?
I don't know. I don't know
What other guy?
Bloom looks like.
You don't know what Orlando Bloom looks like? How are we
I'm
friends?
gonna look him up one second.
Oh my
I'm
gosh.
so bad with names and faces.
Okay, loving the eye look. I am gonna take this bigger brush and just sort of blend the edges so it's not as sharp as it is right now. He's not my type.
He's like dad attractive. He looks like a dad that you
Okay.
like, okay, well,
Okay, whose dad do you know that looks like Orlando Bloom? He's like, has long, like icy blonde hair and like a bow and arrow. And he's like hardcore. So I feel like you would love him in those movies.
Maybe.
You would. Okay. So that's the shadow look. I did dust a little bit of the same base color under my like lower lash line to give like a more siren eye look. We're gonna go in with my little Dior lash colors. And then this is the most, where is it? The most natural ethereal wispy mascara I own is this Merit mascara. If you just wanna look like you got a lash lift, but you're not like coating your lashes in mascara, this is the one to use. So we're gonna go in with a little coat of that. And I'm considering only doing my top lashes as well. To finish off the look, before we continue styling with our hair, we have to do our lips. I have some options though. I have this Shanti Kai lipstick that literally the most gorgeous gold glitter lipstick. I've never used it, so I don't know if it's gonna come off like that. But I'm gonna start by lining my lips because I do have a gorgeous, like a juicy nude lip. Okay, so I've lined my lips. I do wanna try out this glitter lipstick. If it doesn't look good, we'll literally just wipe it off. Oh wait, it's so pretty. It's really pink though.
Ooh, that is pretty.
It's really pink, but the glitter is really glittering.
It's pretty because it looks like a shine from here, not a glitter.
Yeah, it's definitely, it's almost like metallic.
Yeah. But definitely a good
For fun. For fun for
and
today.
pretty, yeah.
Okay, we're gonna stick with the Shanti Kai. Let me tell you what color it is in case you love. This is in rose quartz. No wonder it's so pink. Okay. Gonna give you guys a nice little close-up of the finished makeup look. Because you can never just leave your curly hair be. It's still even like the littlest bit damp. But I'm going to spray my Frizz Elixir in it now that it's like 95% dry. And this will just, oh, this has the same scent as the oil. And I can't get over it. It's so good. and it feels so nice. So this has like a little bit of a, like I said, like a shine on it too. I honestly, more than I use it than a frizz elixir, I use it as like a shine mist. So even when I've done like a blowout, to get that like light glow that you see in like a blowout video and you're like, how the heck do I get my hair to look like that? And you think it's like a gloss or a deep conditioning treatment. No, literally use this product. It will give you the exact same effect. I feel like in the summer, when it comes to having curly hair, that's when you have to put in the most effort. You think it's the winter because, oh, it's like dry, there's not a lot of humidity. Sure, the humidity will make your hair curl and like bounce up, but it won't make your hair look healthy. I feel like in the winter, they're two totally different things you have to take care of. It in the summer, when it comes to like whether it's the pool and all the chlorine, or whether it's the salt water, which can dry out your hair a lot, or whether it's way too much sun. I mean, I know you can already see like when I step into the sun, my hair is so much more red than it is in like the fall and winter, and there's so many more things you have to worry about in the summer with your curly hair or just your hair health in general, especially if you bleach your hair. So I feel like having good quality products, using organic products on your hair, and having things that will, again, not strip your hair, but just hydrate your hair like really thoroughly and take care of it. You're showering a lot more in the summer. Every day after the beach or the pool, you hop in the shower, you use this. I even love this conditioner, is so great to use as like a conditioning treatment. I just put a whole bunch in my hair and then leave it in for like 5-10 minutes while I do everything else in my shower, and then I rinse it off at the end, and it's like a little mask. It's such a good little treatment. But I usually will scrunch, play around with it, figure out which side of my hair it's looking best on. This is my finished look, my natural curly hair, and a little beachy, glowy, Elizabeth Swann inspired glam. I will have the shopping links for my favorite hair products below for you guys, and anything else you need to know in the description, as well as all of my social medias, so you can see other little makeup looks, favorite products, hairstyles, everything, and all of my summer content on my Instagram and TikTok. And I hope you guys have an amazing beginning to your summer. I love you all. Let's all have an ethereal fantasy girl summer. Mwah.